Want more YouTube views without posting every single day? Pinterest is your new best friend, and it works even better this year. Hi, I'm Jen. I help service providers work smarter with simple marketing that doesn't take over your life. Today, I'm showing you how Pinterest can send steady traffic to your videos, even if your following is small. Pinterest now has over 600 million monthly users. That means 600 million people are on Pinterest every single month. That's insane. And this is an all-time high with such significant growth. And the cool part, people use Pinterest to search, not scroll, which means your video content can show up for months or even years. All right, let's break down the easy way to use Pinterest to boost your video views. Tip number 1, skip direct sharing from YouTube. A little 16:9 preview gets really lost really fast. You want to make a long vertical pin instead. Think Pinterest friendly first, YouTube second. Tip number 2, add play button. This helps people know right away, oh, this goes to a video. So I always recommend putting a red little triangle, I'll put it somewhere up here, play button, because then people know exactly that it's a video. Try to capture the play bar, a strong moment in the video, and a bright frame that really pops and gets noticed. Tip number 3, as I mentioned earlier, add a play button and text overlay. Don't just put an image of the thumbnail. Don't just put a landscape image from YouTube. You want to make sure that you keep it simple. As an example, you can say Pinterest tips with a parentheses and video, or you can do brand photos guide video, or client workflow tips video. I think you get the hint. In addition to that red triangle button, putting the word video on there is very clear and makes people understand that they're going to a video. If not, they can go to YouTube, and if they're not a video consumer, they're going to bounce right back to Pinterest, and that's going to tell Pinterest that it's not valuable, which is not accurate. It's just not in the way that they want to consume information. Clear text, bottom line, gets more clicks. Tip number 4, write clear descriptions. Pinterest is a search engine. Use the words people actually type into a search bar. An example, this video shows you how to fix your workflow so you can save time and get more leads. That's something I would click on. Short, simple, and real. Don't do clickbait or anything like that. Simply use keywords. Tip number 5, upload short video pins. Pinterest video pins are great previews. Make them short and vertical and add a small CTA like watch the full video on YouTube. This way, if you already make shorts from your YouTube videos to share on Instagram or for YouTube shorts, you're just going to add that video right onto Pinterest, making sure you have text overlay on top, telling people what they're going to find when they click. Every time you upload a fresh pin image, you'll usually get another spike. Want your videos to pull in steady views without extra work? My Pinterest management services handle everything: keywords, pin design, weekly workflow, analytics, all of it. Thanks for hanging out with me today. You crushed it just by showing up for your business. Pick one of these 2 videos next to keep growing your biz the easy way. Coming next week, we're going to be talking all about how to use your brand photos to bring in more clients in 2026. You don't want to miss this one.